guys, it's Redhead Gearhead, known as Bailey Ferguson. I just want to talk to you guys about something from the meet I went to the other day. I went to NWI, and it was a great meet. We got there really late. We got the wrong directions, but when we got there, it was a big turnout. It was like it's one of those like mini mall parking lot things, like a strip almost. And when we got there, everyone was having a good time, and then something happened with the police, and it just got all wild up and stuff. And in the video, you guys will see what will happen. And I'm just here to say, don't do that. Do what this guy did. It ruins it for everyone in the in the car meet. I'm sorry, I looked at the camera and it said video. It ruins everything for everyone at the car meet, and that's what basically happened. Is it turned into 2 cops being there, to 6 to 7, to almost a whole group of police officers that were in the town. And that was just ridiculous, because there was no need for that to happen if someone would have been smart and thought about it. Now, what happened is, you might not see it in the video, but the guy who got arrested tried to do a burnout in a 4-wheeler in the grass, and it actually almost hit someone. From what I saw, because I was right across from it, and a guy got pissed and said, "Why'd you do that?" and got in the guy's face, and well, police got involved, and the guy who owns the 4-wheeler got on his 4-wheeler, started it, and tried to dip. Well, the problem is, I think you might see it in the video, he tries to take off. Well, as he tries to take off, the cop pulls him off. Now, there's things where I thought to myself, well, what would happen if the guy actually took off? Well, luckily the police handled it. We did get video of it, and hopefully you guys will understand. I'm not posting this to make them look bad, NWI. I'm posting this just to make sure, like, not to do what this guy did, because this ruined it for everyone, and it's just sad to see that something like that could happen, and people are just selfish like that. So hopefully this tells you guys not to do it, and I hope it gets a message out to other people to not do this kind of stuff. I really hope this video was informational, and please enjoy the video. Take him down! Oh shit! Yeah, stay by me. That guy just made a fool of himself.
Sure did. Hey, wait, here's the fight.
What's happening? A guy tried running from a cop over here. He was in the grass. He tried to do a burnout, and tried to run over a bunch of people over here, and the cop took him down.
Oh, no shit.
Yeah, a whole bunch of people tried to take him down.
On what, in a car?
One of those 4-wheelers.
Oh, no
modified,
shit.
yeah. Man, I hope he got tased. I really do. I'm not the only one that thinks that too.